Hi, this is Pete with Wrap My Spider. Today we're going to feature a quick installation video on one of our new Frunk racing stripes. And this one here is called Tri-Wing, and it'll be available for sale on our website. But we wanted to show you what it looks like as well as give you a quick video on application, putting the kit on. So to expedite the video, we already put the left side on the frunk, and now we're going to move on to the right side. This is a new 2020 RT, and this is a brand new stripe kit for us for this particular model, and that's one we think you're going to like. So of course, with all of our application, you want to make sure that you prep your surface very well before you try to apply the graphics. You want to make sure that you're in 65 degrees or warmer temperature. When you're doing your installation, you always want to be in a controlled environment as well, in a garage, somewhere where you're not prone to having dust or debris flying through the air. So with surface prep, as always, we recommend the 70% rubbing alcohol and paper towel. And of course, you're going to prep this surface, wipe it down real nice. When you think that you're ready to do your application, then we recommend that you do a quick tape test, which is to take your masking tape, which you're going to use as part of the hinge to put the graphic on, stick it to the surface where you're applying the graphic, and then pull it off. And if you get good resistance like this, then you know it's ready to accept the graphic. If it doesn't and it pulls right off, well, then you need to continue to prep. So our surface is good and ready, and we're in a nice application temperature. So the kit is going to come pre-cut, pre-spaced, trimmed to the edges of the graphic to make application easier for you. So basically positioning, you're using this outer edge and the point here in the tip. So this first widest part of this kit is going to be put right up in that corner, and then you're going to follow the leading edge of the frunk with the stripe. And this L shape should come across the bottom parallel, and you want to do your best to have them meet together as close as possible. So once you get your alignment where you want it, then you're going to use your tape hinge to hold the graphic in position. First side's always pretty easy because that's the start point. Second side's a little bit trickier because you want to try to make sure that both sides are even. So once you have your alignment where you want it, I'm checking this edge because that corner runs inside that bevel. Once you get it where you want it, you're using that center hinge to hold the graphic in place, and that's going to prevent it from moving. This is just insurance that it stays in place when we do our install. So once you have it where you want it, it's taped into place, then you're going to come back. Like always, you're going to choose what direction you want to go. Typically, I always go from the middle of your center hinge up to the top. So we just want to peel the graphic so that it stays on the transfer tape, and then we're going to eliminate the backing paper by cutting it off. Now when we do this application, we're going to basically pull the film tight and lay it right into position. You can see where it's supposed to go. And then you're going to use your squeegee, and you want to start on the wider one and work from the middle to the outside, up to the top. Once you have it in place, there's a little bit of a ridge, a little dip right here. So you're going to work your squeegee down into the dip and out towards that upper corner. Once you have it tacked and it's down, then you can eliminate your tape hinge, because now the adhesive from the graphic is going to hold it in place. Now we're going to do the second half. So typically what we're recommending here is that you put tension on each end, on here and here, and pull it straight down, setting it into place. And then using your squeegee, you're going to start in the middle, like always, and work to the outside edges. And then when you get down to the bottom, well, now you'll be able to finagle or finesse this to meet. Now this is wrapping film, so you do have the ability to reposition and pick it up as many times as you need. But when you get it where you think you like it, you're going to go like that. Make sure it's all squeegeed down good. And then you're going to find a corner. Typically we have an arrow on the transfer tape showing you where to peel it, so it makes it a little bit easier. But then you're going to slowly remove that transfer tape. When you peel it down on top of itself, pulling it straight back, not up, but straight back and down. Yeah, that's really cool. So let's get a look. And this is a new tri-wing for the 2020 Spyder RT. And that's a really cool look. This finish right here that we used is satin black. We'll have it a color, or available in other colors as well. But we'll just lift it up so you can get a better feel for it. And you can see application using the film that we're using is quite easy. So, don't be afraid to do the installation. Hopefully, the videos that we've been shooting are helpful for you. And this again is the 2020 Spyder RT tri-wing frunk racing stripe kit. Something a little unique, and we thought you might enjoy that. So this is Pete with Wrap My Spyder. If you have any questions, you can feel free to email us at sales@wrapmyspyder.com, or feel free to give us a ring. We're always happy to help. And we thank you for watching. This is a 2020 Can-Am Spyder RT Frunk Racing Stripe Tri-Wing. Thanks for watching.